I'm gonna see if I can relocate the control box, but I don't have high hopes. Okay, so we have relays, the Wi-Fi control box, that just happened. Already looks much cleaner, but if I could fit this on it, I would be happy. Okay, so I'm checking to see where I can fit this mouthpiece. I have to use 10mm bolts over here because the socket of a 12mm bolt won't just fit. Well, I got the front push bar to fit and this mounted, but I have only one problem with this. I cannot engage the clutch with such levers, so I hope it's made out of weldable steel. I was planning to cut this off and then weld a knob on it. I'm gonna weld this on. Oh, this needs to cool down now. Yeah. I really like the tight fit, and there's a special bonus of having an indicator for the front of the car. I can see this, and it's a bit behind than the bumper, so it's a good indicator for the front. I had a bit of an accident. I went just casually driving in the forest, and I got stuck in mud. And the brand new axle I installed is busted from the inside. So let's see what happened. This is the reason it's toast. One of the bearings is in pieces. Oh no, the inner spline thing, there was lots of grease, so that wasn't the issue, but so the only option I got is to rebuild the shaft, I think. Got the outer CV joint of the axle. This side's new, but yeah, sorry, this is mangled up, so luckily the old shaft is okay on these parts, so I'm just gonna install the decent joints on this shaft. So both of the axles disassembled, and I found, okay, so the inner joint of the new axle just grenaded into pieces. It's okay, that I cannot use at all. Then I discovered that the spline ends are messed up. However, the CV joint from the old axle fits over here, but I discovered that when I wanted to use the new outer does not fit on this. And then I tried this on the old one, and so I have no more options left but to just... I'm gonna weld the washer over here so that it will stop the coming off of this half of the inner joint. Homemade drive shaft now. I would like to know what would be the next best upgrade for this. It's a great machine right now.